What's the deal with getting older? I mean, what is that? You hit 50, and suddenly your body starts sending you eviction notices. Not written notices. Oh no, that would be too professional. Your body just starts disappearing, piece by piece. I'm looking in the mirror the other day, and I swear, I heard my muscles having a conversation. You know what they're talking about? Quitting. They're discussing their exit strategy like they're middle management at a failing company. So, left bicep. You thinking what I'm thinking? Oh yeah, right bicep. Time to bounce. This guy's not serious about maintenance. Sarcopenia. That's what they call it. Sarcopenia. Sounds like a fancy Italian restaurant, doesn't it? Table for two at Sarcopenia, please. Do you have anything that won't make my muscles disappear? But no, it's not a restaurant. It's your muscles filing for bankruptcy. 3 to 5% every decade after 30. Every decade. That's like your biceps are on a payment plan you never agreed to. Excuse me, sir. We're here to repossess your deltoids. You've fallen behind on your protein payments. Who authorized this? When did I sign up for muscle rental? I thought I owned these things. So now I'm in full panic mode. What do you do when your own body is staging a walkout? You negotiate. You make deals. You become a diplomat to your own torso. Every morning, I tap my entire body with my fists. Tap, tap, tap. Like I'm knocking on doors. Hello? Anybody home? Muscles? You still with me? My neighbor sees me through the window. She thinks I've taken up percussion. Are you playing the bongos? No, Martha. I'm conducting a wellness check. On my own anatomy. But here's the thing, and this is where it gets really crazy. While I'm tapping, I'm imagining the muscles getting bigger. Is this scientific? Absolutely not. Do I care? Not even a little. Imagination is free. It's the only thing left in this economy that doesn't cost extra. Then I stretch. 3 minutes. 3. Why 3? Because 4 would be commitment, and I'm not ready for that kind of responsibility. 3 minutes is it's like a handshake with fitness. Nice to meet you, exercise. Maybe we'll talk again tomorrow. And the breakfast? Oh, the breakfast situation. Every morning, 1 egg and a spoonful of natto. You know what natto is? Fermented soybeans from Japan. It looks like... Have you ever seen food that's given up on life? That's natto. It's beans that went to therapy and came back worse. First time I opened the container, the natto looked at me. I'm telling you, it looked at me. There were strings, slimy, judgmental strings, connecting every bean like they're plotting something. My brain says, don't eat that. The internet says, but it has nattokinase. It prevents blood clots. So now every morning is me versus fermented legumes. It's become a negotiation. Listen, natto, I know you're disgusting. You know you're disgusting, but you've got amino acids, and my muscles are threatening to quit, so let's make this work. The egg just sits there, being normal, professional. The egg's got no attitude. The egg's like, I'm just here to provide quality protein without the psychological warfare. I respect that. In an egg. Then, after every meal, I walk for 10 minutes. This started by accident when I was young. I'd finish eating and think, you know what? I'm still hungry. So I'd go out looking for more food. Turns out, I was accidentally preventing blood sugar spikes. Who knew procrastination could be medicinal? Now, when I'm short on time, I just march up and down the stairs. 3 minutes of stairs. My staircase has become Mount Everest. I get to the top, I'm huffing and puffing. And I think Edmund Hillary had oxygen tanks. I have optimism and shortness of breath. But wait, there's more. Daily cleaning. Every day I clean the house. Not because I love cleaning. Who loves cleaning? But because it turns out cleaning is exercise. In disguise. Vacuuming? That's resistance training. The vacuum weighs 17 pounds and has the turning radius of a city bus. Mopping. Core engagement. I'm doing planks while fighting a wet string mop that has its own agenda. Dusting high shelves? That's functional fitness. I'm reaching, stretching, occasionally questioning my life choices. It's like yoga, but with pledge. And here's the beautiful part. The spouse gives me compliments. Oh, the house looks wonderful, which translates to, thank you for doing unpaid strength training while I watched Netflix. It's genius. But the real game changer? 18 sumo squats before bed. Not 20. 18. Why 18? Because 20 is trying too hard. 20 is like wearing a tuxedo to the grocery store. 18 is just approachable. It's the right amount of effort without seeming desperate. I didn't even know they were called sumo squats. I just thought, how do I communicate with my pelvic floor? Turns out, sumo wrestlers figured this out centuries ago. Those guys were onto something. They knew about functional fitness before functional fitness was even a thing. Result? No more midnight bathroom trips. None. My bladder apparently signed a peace treaty with the rest of my body. 8 hours straight sleep. It's like my internal organs finally got their act together and started communicating. Professionally. But here's what really gets me. The fitness industry has been lying to us. More protein doesn't always help. Sometimes more protein actually speeds up aging. So everything I thought I knew about staying young? Wrong! It's like finding out that the speed limit signs were just suggestions this whole time. These 5 little habits, tapping, natto negotiations, post-meal wandering, cleaning choreography, and bedtime squatting, they're not fitness routines. They're just showing up. It's strategic laziness disguised as health maintenance. And somehow, it works. The muscles decided to stick around. They've apparently found the working conditions acceptable. The quality of life has improved. The Midnight Bathroom Union has disbanded. What is that about? Why does gentle persistence work better than ambitious planning? What's the deal with that? It's like your body responds better to casual conversation than dramatic speeches. Who knew? Your muscles don't want to be impressed. They just want to be acknowledged. Thank you, folks. You've been great. Now go home and have a diplomatic chat with your anatomy.